Hey guys, it's Oladan from Mobile Cyber Cafe, an innovative online platform for graphic designers. In today's review, I'm going to be having a review of all of the courses that I've been able to cover as far as my graphic designing tutorial is concerned, and then I'm going to be telling you my next plan. So far so good. I've been able to upload 3 different courses under my introduction to graphic designing, where I get to talk. The first course was titled Introduction to Graphic Designing. The second course was Introduction to Logo Design, and the last one, which is the third one, is Introduction to Flyer Design. So let me kind of give you a quick review of what each of these courses was able to cover. So Introduction to Graphic Designing is where I get to talk about meaning of computers, different parts of computers, accessories, and how these accessories are being used by graphic designers. I also talk about the principles and elements of graphic designing, and also talk about colors, hierarchy, typography, and a list of them. Under the course of Introduction to Logo Design, I get to talk about meaning of logos, how a logo is related to a brand, the features of a good logos, and the process that are involved in designing a good logo. So lastly, which is the third course I just finished covering, talks about Introduction to Flyer Design, where I get to talk about meaning of flyer design, meaning of flyers and uses of flyers, and how to design a good flyer. So up next is the use of graphic softwares. So the two main softwares I'll be using are Photoshop and CorelDRAW. So to start with, I'm going to do a quick kind of comparison between these two softwares and how they can be used. Then I'm going to go extensively into the use of Photoshop for designing. I'm going to pick each of the tools that are in Photoshop and also how to make good use of them as a graphic designer. So it has always been my aim to educate people about graphic designing, how to earn as a graphic designer, and every other things that revolve around graphic design. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, I need you to follow me on Instagram at Oladan.